Hey, Big Al back again. Glad to see you all. Hope you're all having a good weekend or wherever you're at. Today we're going to cook something yummy because basically life's short, eat dessert first. So, and everyone loves a good cookie. So that's what we're going to be cooking. We're cooking a cookie. Now, the recipe's not firmly set. It's only minimal thingos, but I saw a chef reckons you crack your egg on the bench. We'll try that. Oh, okay, that was a lot easier than expected. Okay, good on the chef that said crack it on the bench, don't crack it on a sharp edge. Love it. Okay, we want an egg. I need a fork or something to mix with. I don't have wooden spoons. Yeah, like I said once before, if I can do it with what I got and slowly get more stuff, hey, you can do it too. I don't even have proper measuring drugs, but the closest I got, I know these things are 375 mils. I don't have normal cups, do I? Oh yeah, no, I don't. Okay, so you want a cup of almost everything. And a cup in one of these thingies here should be about that line there. So that's easy. Yeah, I know. The experts tell you to sift your flour first. But this is just random cooking, eh? So, a cup. That's roughly a cup. Let's not get too technical. So, mix it in. I don't know. Some of the recipes might say sift. They might say measure it accurately. All that sort of stuff. But now, the recipe actually says to use a cup of caster sugar. Or a cup of sugar. I'm not sure whether it's caster or not. But I'm going to mix it up a bit, eh? Why don't we get a bit of extra flavour happening? It's like the chefs who always say seasoning, you must season. Well, my word for it's just flavour. You got to taste good, man. So, I'm going to use some brown sugar as well. Okay? So, a couple of spoonfuls of that. Just to make it up half and half, you know what I mean? Yep, in we go. And peanut butter. Who doesn't like peanut butter? No one. Everyone loves it. So, chunk it all in. Now this is probably gonna... See, with peanut butter and anything, you don't need oil because it has its own oil. And this is going to be a hard job because I don't have a Mixmaster or anything like that. Yeah, maybe I should get one for my birthday or Father's Day, eh? Probably one more big blob. Let's get into it. I feel like eating it with a spoon. Used to get in trouble for that when I was a kid doing that, and then for a while there when I was married, I got in trouble for doing it with my wife. Ha! Some people just don't understand. Peanut butter is not just about having it on your bread or your toast, or it's also about just enjoying it, eh? Now this is going to be a really hard thing for me to do. I don't know. I don't have normal milk. You reckon almond milk would go good to get this going a bit better? I have washed my hands, so maybe I'd be better off doing it by hand. What you want to end up doing is having it as just one big doughy ball and then cutting pieces off it it'll still work. Might not be fully thingoed, although I have only done this recipe twice before. Yeah, I'll just put a dribble in it just to give it some moisture. I have cream, but I don't have milk. Melted butter might have worked too. Yeah, that seems to be doing it. There we go. Nice big doughy mixture. And I need to flour my hands a bit. Let's see, flour your hands. Hopefully this works. And the idea of flouring your hands is so it doesn't stick to your hands while you're kneading it. Like I said, this is a recipe for someone who doesn't have a mixing bowl. Okay, need a bit more flour on my hands, get rid of that. Flour on the tray is alright too, so don't worry about that. Actually, probably the wrong thing to do, but I'm gonna, should have sprayed the tray. I'm not sure if this is the right way to do it, eh? I've never done it like this before. It's just that, well, hey, this is fly by your seat of pants type cooking. How big do you want them? Yeah, that looks reasonable, eh? Just roll it up. Little balls. Moist balls. I think we should go 3 across. Yep, 3 across will do the trick. Move him over a bit. Problem is, I've got enough for probably 2 baking trays, but I only own 1. So the problem is going to be trying to resist eating the mixture while it's cooking before the next one. But I will do my damnedest. Fred. Shh. Shh. Sorry, that's Fred. Fred the rainbow lorikeet. Say hello. He's a cheeky little bugger. Fred and Wilma over there. Actually, I won't have enough for the second batch, so I probably will end up just eating it. Yep, that'll do, just 1 batch. Now, I'm not sure, they might spread a bit while they're cooking. So if I spread them up a bit, even if they don't, I can break them apart if they do. That's easy, I can do 1 more row. And it works out friggin' well. So it's a 4, 3, 12, 13, 14, might have just enough to make 15. A mini one. Actually, that one's too big. Put a little bit off that, eh? Yeah. Still a mini one. It'll do. I'll re-roll that. Cook it. Wash my hands a bit. Now, preheat the oven to 160 degrees, roughly. And 10 to 15 minutes should get that happening. So we will check it out, eh man? See how it all goes. Hey, back. Now, that should be all cooked now, eh? It's like a time lapse. I don't think you'd want to wait the time to get to it, so turn all that off. And I had to, yeah, before when I was doing it, I forgot to show you, I had to press them down with a fork. I don't know whether I've done this long enough or not, but regardless, they will be eaten. Yes, they're still soft, but that's what happens when you cook cookies. Yeah. They're soft when they're still hot. So, and I don't have steady hands, so look a bit crackly, eh? I think another egg would have done the job. Egg helps bind things together. But, see, the thing is, this doesn't work. It'll crumble up really nice in ice cream. So that's no big deal if they don't harden up properly, but I think they will. In a future episode, I will let you know whether they did or didn't. But as you can see, I've already got the coffee ready to have with them. So, thanks for all listening. Don't forget, subscribe and share and like. Really appreciate that, eh? Okay, ciao, auf Wiedersehen, ni hao, arrivederci.